off here in your bedroom, you have a custom king-size bed that's going to be on the VersaTilt system, so you can position that up and down however you need. You have hanging closet storage there with CPAP access points on both sides, overhead storage, hamper space down below, and you'll have storage under your bed as well with cube organizers. AC up top, and then you have this additional closet space right over here. You're also going to have a place to add a TV and easy access into your bathroom here. So nice and spacious in here. You've got open storage down below, medicine cabinet up top, and then you've got your shower here. Curved rod up here, so it's going to help open up the shower space a bit more, and then you got that skylight up top, so you have plenty of overhead space. And then stepping into your living room here, you're going to have another AC. You have the Versa sofa here, so it's going to give you a ton of extra seating as well as additional sleeping areas. Storage right here, you have these little shelves, and then right here you have this hidden room, so you'll have storage here when it's closed, and then the handles down here to open this door here, and then you can step into this additional room that you have here. You can utilize this as a little desk area, as you can see, but you also have a couple of bunks in here, plenty of storage options as well, and then you have open storage here, and then that's where you're going to add your TV on this side here, so none of the wires will be showing. And then you have surrounding storage here above your fireplace and radio control that you got right there. Pantry space is going to be located right here, and then you've got your fridge that'll run on 12 volts. Plenty of seating in the kitchen area as well, so you have this kind of bar look that you have here rather than a dinette or a table. And then you have USB ports or outlets there to charge your devices, add in appliances, whatever you may need. This is the view, so you have plenty of windows in here. You have your microwave up top, 3-burner cooktop and oven, and more counter space on this side here with more storage down below.